Hello students, today I am going to teach you a program in BlueJ. Write a program to solve a quadratic equation. Here we will be solving quadratic equation. So you can see this is a screen of BlueJ. We will make a program of quadratic equation. We will write the name of the program as whatever is given in the book, that is if else test. If, or we will write quad because we are making quadratic equation. We will write quad, and then this you can see with the name of quad I have created a document. Again same dialog box will come where you can get a document where many things are written. You just need to click on, you need to select all, delete, and then you need to write the program, that is quadratic equation. We will write class, we have written the name of the class as quad, so we will write quad. The Q was capital, so we will write Q capital, class quad. We will open the program, public void main. We will make a method, public void main. I have told you the difference between method and public static void main. That method and a main method I have written. So here we will take three parameter, A, B and C. We will take three parameter A, B, C and X. I will let you know that why we are taking X, why we are taking, because we need to print quadratic equation. We will open this program. We will write, we will take another variable, that is Y. We will print a message, system dot out dot println. We will print a message, system dot out dot println. We will write value of X. We will take the value of X, A, B and C all. Value of X equals to double quotes plus X. We will close the program. We will close the parenthesis. Then we need to select the same line. So we will click on shift plus this arrow, shift plus right arrow. We will copy control C. We will press enter. We will press enter, control V, then enter control V, then enter control V three times. We will take the value of A, then B and then C. We have written all the message. Then we will use if else loop. If A, B, C, X, we have taken all the value. So we will write if X greater than equals to 4. Then we will again print the message what we have written. Here we need to write value of Y. Now quadratic equation कैसे print होगा? Value of Y equals to double quotes plus bracket a multiply X, again multiply X, means Ax square plus anything, using anything upside we need to use, and we need to click on shift के साथ उसको use करेंगे. B into C we will write, and then plus C. We have one closing, we will close another one because we have two opening here. Now again we will copy it, shift plus this arrow. We will copy this line, control C. We will copy this line, then control V. We will here, after this we will close this program like this. we will close this program like this. After that we will write else, then we will open the program like this, and then we will here add minus sign we will add here, minus ax square plus bx plus c. We will double close it, and then we will close the program. Downside, we will use 3 closing, 1 2 and 3. So this is the program to print quadratic equation. We will compile the program. We will compile the I have clicked compile. So now I will close it. No error. You can see no, the symbol of no error is that I am not getting any crisscross line like in these programs, because they have error. That's why they have red line. So I will right click over here. I will right click over this program. I will click on new quad. Now we need to give value. Now we will now I will right click over here, void main, int abc. We need to give 4 value. I will give 5, then 6, any value you can give, 7, then 8, means numerical value you need to give, because we need to find out quadratic equation. We will click on OK. You can see value of x is this, say this, and y means quadratic equation we got 222. So I hope you will understand how to execute a Java program now. I have made you understand about quadratic equation. Thank you.